Hi Fox, today I'm just showing you this digital alarm clock, and with the time I will show you its characteristic, and I think this is a very nice design. I never seen this type of things where you have a vibrator and it says like a bed shaker, but you can put that vibrator below your pillow and it will vibrate as well. Let me open this box and empty this so that I can show you what exactly inside the box, everything. So here I emptied it, and you can see now that there is a electric cable, like for the direct is a USB connector. So there is a adapter like from electric to USB and then USB to the clock, and this is 100 to 240 volt. So this is a nice thing that this clock can be used in any country with this adapter, and there is no issue with that. So here is that the vibration thing I was telling you. This is a vibrator that you can actually fit into the clock. So with the alarm, this will also vibrate. So here is the connector. This is the manual for the clock. You can see it here. It's in English, so no issues in understanding and reading it. This is just a thank you card, and along with the email that you can talk to the customer service team. So here I am just opening now the clock. So this is a nice packing, double packing, and the clock itself looks very nice, lightweight, shiny surface. This is a snooze button with up and down to adjust the thing, and I saw a nice thing that this have a battery as well. So if you don't want to use the electricity, you can use actually the two AA batteries for this. I will open it and show you like how you can fit it, but before that I'm just showing you a little bit of the clock. This is the speaker for the alarm. These are the two connectors to put in. Here are the three buttons that says the time and alarm 1, alarm 2. So you can set 2 alarms at a time. The quality wise, it looks really nice. I don't see any issue. It's all plastic, and there are 2 USB, like you can recharge or your mobile or any other thing along with it. And then there is this button to lower or brighten the clock, and 2 is one for the vibration and other is for the sound. So these are all buttons here, you can see clearly. And then let me just set it up. I will just use this is what I was saying, the batteries. So you can put 2 AA batteries here to get it started, but I will use electricity to show the demo for this clock. So here as I said, like this is a USB charger with the adapter. I was putting in the adapter with the USB here, and goes easily, and this is for the clock that goes in the back. So the good thing is there are 2 sockets, so one is a little bit wider than the other one, so you can figure it out that what is for the electricity and one is for the vibrator. So this design is really nice, like you can easily figure it out, no issue, no confusion. And I was just adding it to the electricity now. Here now the clock is started. You can see very bright big numbers on the clock. This is the default one. I'm adding the vibrator now. Here I added the vibrator as well. And to set the clock, here is like so let me show you like some of the buttons. or the brightness. The vibrator will not work actually without the alarm, so I'm actually checking if it works, but it don't without the alarm, so I will show you later on. And this is, like you can see, for brighten the light for the clock, so it is in night or day, you can actually control its brightness. That's a nice feature. I am putting it on the vibrator mode at this time. Now I will set the clock. So you can see like the time button, if you press it for 3 seconds continuous press, and then it will start blinking. From the top up and down button near to the snooze, you can adjust the clock. So I will adjust it for the today's time. So I will put it is as a 12 hour 2019. Put the month and the date. Now I will set up the time. So all looks good. So when you say the PM, the little light is on the left top corner. So now time is set. I am putting now the alarm. So quick press for like 3-4 seconds and start blinking, adjust the alarm, and then I'm just putting 1 or 2 minutes here and there, so that to test the alarm. So now alarm 1 is on, and then I'm just setting it up. So I set up the alarm, now waiting to get it 6:03. This is 6:01 at this time, 6:02 now. At 6:03 I can see like the vibration and the other feature. I'm just pulling out this protective poly from the clock so that you can see actual the brightness and the lights nearby. I like this watch because it is like the brightness and things are very clear. See, this is 6:03 and now I can feel the vibration. The vibration itself is very strong, even more than a mobile one. Like the vibration is really strong, but I don't think I can show that vibration on the video or in the video. Let me try put something on it or something, just you can feel the vibration. I'm trying to see like the middle button is both for the tone and the vibration, and the one is for the tone and one is just for the vibration. I'm just trying to put this paper on it just to feel like, so the vibration is so strong you can see like that paper is falling from it. You can put this below your pillow or somewhere if your clock is just near to you at the end table. And I'm just setting up the things, setting up the stuff. You can learn more from the clock manual, that is very descriptive, and you can understand it quickly. Though the clock itself and the quality is good, I'm showing you how it can recharge your mobile from the USB port. So that is very helpful feature, and you can see that even I'm just connecting my MP3, it starts charging from it. And the 2 USB port is helpful in charging as well as your clock, so other stuff. So it's actually a good clock. I like the quality, the shape, size, brightness, the numbers, the big size, the vibration feature, which I usually don't see in any clock yet. Maybe it's there, but I never tested it. But this is a nice one. It's a nice product.